y'all, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this hairstyle. So if you're interested in seeing how I did it, please continue watching. So the hair I'm going to be using today is from Nadula hair. I'm going to send you some lashes, and then I have a closure here and 3 bundles. They're all Brazilian straight, and I have them in 18, 20, and 22 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the tutorial. I'll leave all the details of this hair in my description box down below, so you guys check that out. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and first off I'm gonna go ahead and do my part, and I think this look is cute with a middle or a side part, but for today I'm going to go ahead and do a side part, and I'm just making sure that it looks good. And then next I'm going to take my Gold Eco Styler gel, and I use a lot of gel, so I'm going to go ahead and like take a glob of it and then I start applying it to my hair. I like to put a lot because I don't want it to just like sit on the top. I want it to like sink through and go to the hair underneath, so all of it could be gelled and so it'll all just lay flat and smooth. So that's why I use a lot of gel, and then I just do that all around, because I want all of like the top part of my hair, I want it all covered with gel. Okay, so next I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to comb through my hair, and I'm just making sure there are no knots in the hair and that it's completely smooth and flat and straight. So I'm just going through making sure it's completely detangled and completely smooth. It helps to have your hair already detangled before you do this part, and mine was, so it was pretty easy to do. But if it's not, it'll be a little bit harder to get the comb to go through your hair. And then here, I'm just doing that all around before I put my ponytail. And I don't do my full ponytail at this point. I'm just doing it to have, I'm just putting the hairband in my hair one time just to hold the hair back while I smooth out the front of the hair. I want it to be perfect before I actually secure the hair tie, and then I also want to do my edges before I do my actual ponytail. Now I'm getting ready to do my edges. So I already have gel in my hair at this section, so I'm just going to go ahead and take my comb and I kind of pull it forward, and then I use my finger to hold it there as I pull the comb back and do a little swoop. And then here I'm just like fixing it. I don't ever really get my baby hair right on the first try, so it takes a few times. And there I am doing the side one. Sometimes I use a toothbrush, sometimes I use a comb, whichever. Okay, and then once I like the baby hair, then that's when I'm going to go ahead and secure my ponytail. So I'm using 2 hair ties to do it, and I wrapped it around twice, but then later in the video I don't feel like it's tight enough, so I have to redo it. But here I am after I got my ponytail, and I'm going to go ahead and braid it, and that's what I'm doing here, and I'm just securing it with a small little rubber band. Okay, I like how it looks. So then I'm going on to the next step, which is adding some hairspray. Okay, so this hairspray was acting kind of crazy. That's why my face looks like this the whole time I'm doing the hairspray. I look concerned, but it's because the hairspray was like spraying in like one spot and also like all over. It was just crazy. I don't know. But yeah, that's why I look like that. Alright, then next I'm going to go ahead and take a scarf, and I'll just tie that on to lay my baby hairs to make sure they're flat and to lay any flyaways or any hair that curled up. And I'll take it off after maybe about 5 minutes or so. Okay, now after a few minutes I've taken the scarf off, and I'm going to go ahead and take the hair and wrap that around the bottom of my braid, and I'm going to take a bobby pin and I'm going to put that through the hair and through my hair, and then I'll start wrapping it around slowly and carefully, and I'll just continue doing that, wrapping it upwards, taking my time with it and making sure it's all like the weft is all going the same way so all the hair can lay smoothly once I'm done. And so I just do that all the way up. Then once I get to the end of the track, I take the last little piece of hair and then I wrap it around where I'm at that section. And I just wrap it around tightly so that the track is secure on my hair, and then I secure it even more with the bobby pin so it'll stay in place.
I'm going to use this because I feel like my ponytail is not tight enough and I want it really, really tight. Okay. That feels so much better. Oh, this hair looks so pretty. So I started with the 22-inch and then I'm going to do the 20-inch on top. I'm going longer to shorter. This hair is really soft. So I just take a bobby pin, bite off the little part on there, push it through the track so it's stuck on there and secure. And I just push it down into my braid.
And then I just continue to wrap upwards until I get to the top of the ponytail. Then once at the top, I take the remaining little piece and I'll wrap that around my ponytail to cover up the rubber bands, and I'll secure it, tuck it under, and use bobby pins and hairspray. Okay, and this is the completed hairstyle. Very sleek, beautiful, easy to do, super cute, and I'll leave all of the information for this hair in my description box, so y'all check that out. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.